invoice number V8877. Today is April. 6 sweep was performed prior to that. First course of tile. You do have a crack present. I believe that was documented in the first video inspection, if I'm not mistaken. Staggered flue tile. So you have an open mortar joint there. There's your open mortar joint all the way around that course of tile. Flashing present in the flue. There should be no foreign objects present in here. Feels like a twist. Just do a little bit of a twist. We have an offset present. Cement that they dropped down, and doing that offset, see it all there. Approximately 20 feet tall in height. Some creosote is present, and that is to be expected with performing a rotary cleaning, due to it not being a chemical treatment. We also took a wheel and cleaned off the back of the firebox as well. It was completely coated in third stage creosote. Again, 20 feet tall. That concludes the video inspection for today. Recommendations will follow.